Ever lost sight of crucial data in an Excel sheet, making your analysis feel incomplete? Today, we're unhiding those hidden rows to bring your insights back into focus. Let's say you have a spreadsheet where some rows are hidden. You might not see them right away, but Excel is still keeping that information safe. The first and most common way to reveal hidden rows is to use the row numbers themselves. See these gaps in the row numbers? That's your clue that something's hidden in there. To unhide them, simply select the rows above and below the hidden section. So, click on the row number of the row that's right before where the hidden rows start. Then, drag your mouse down to select the row number that's immediately after the hidden rows end. Now, with those rows selected, right-click anywhere within the highlighted row numbers. From the menu that pops up, simply choose Unhide. And just like that, all your concealed data magically reappears. Your spreadsheet is now complete and ready for whatever analysis or reporting you need to do. Another handy method, especially if you've hidden entire columns or a block of rows using a different feature, involves selecting the columns adjacent to the hidden ones. Click on the letter of the column immediately to the left of where your hidden rows are, then hold down your Shift key and click on the letter of the column immediately to the right of where those rows are hidden. Once again, right-click on your selected column letters and select Unhide. This will reveal any rows or columns hidden within that selected range. Now you can access all your data without any barriers.